You cut me open and I birds of a feather, we should stick together. Birds of a feather. I want you.
So here, we're here in Austria. Oh, hotel in Austria.
Kahit pa paano.
Oh, nga. Ganda.
It's so nice. Cozy.
Nice, cozy. So this is our room in Austria.
Actually, marami pala tayong time bukas eh.
Yeah. And this is the comfort room.
Hiwalay.
Hiwalay.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave.
So ito yung room namin. And look, our window. There's a train. There's a train in Feldkirch. This is the CR. This is the TV, the bed. So nice. I have a long time to rest. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, bye. may itlog. Oo nga, may itlog.
Pero pag ano din, hindi ko ganahan naman pinagpapin yung lasa. Kaya sabi ko, dadalhin ko. Pero hindi naman ang bagay. Pero isang bagay. Ayun, ko maaari. Ako nang dala, pero sayang, buo. Alam mo, buo.
Hindi yung problema, nahihina.
Oo, buo.
Kinayo. Kinayo, lamig-lamig.
Kaya, nakita ko yun yung sandwich sa
Chocolate. Train station near our hotel.
If you go, I'm going too. 'Cause it was always you.
So guys, we're going to Badus, Liechtenstein today. But now we're in Austria. Now we're in Austria right now. Okay.
Alright. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know how sad.
On a time, they were sharing a street mainly situated alongside the Alps, and is one of those countries that have a lot of popular villages which can be visited. Snow-capped mountains, the Alpine snow-capped mountains all around us. Why? Because we're going to the city of Vaduz, which is the capital of Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is the fourth smallest country in Europe, with a territory of 160 square kilometers, and all in all in the country there are nothing more than 40,000 inhabitants. 40,000 inhabitants, all German speaking. They're all German speaking due to the fact that they were under the Austrian Empire, Germanic Empire as well, and highly helped by Switzerland. They pretty much originate from the same area, But since they have their own autonomy and they have a slightly different German-speaking accent, they gained their autonomy next to Switzerland. So they share common history. They share common history with the country of Switzerland, and they share common history also with the country of Austria. It was a country serving the princes. The old town. So the old town of Vaduz is rather small, and it's not that old, but nevertheless it's called Old Town, given the fact that of their history. One of the also when we are going to actually get near to the city, will be also is the prince. It's very mixed up. Why? Because as I told you, it was under the Germans, it was under the Austrians, it was under the French, it was under the Swiss. So now it is divided in between three countries. I mean, the ruling system, it's so complex, so even I have came here multiple times and read a lot and still cannot understand how this country has been led. It was known as a tax haven for the multi-billionaires because of the
I never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather.